What's good, YouTube? This your man BG, and you already see what's going on. You already see we got one of my favorites in the building. Got one of my favorites in the building as far as devices go. Got the S9 Plus, and I got the Plasma series from UAG. But I did it a little different this time. I'm usually a traditional guy. Got a black phone, might do a ash colored UAG case, or I might do me like a what is it? The ice UAG case. But today, I'm actually doing something different. The lime green look. I'm about to Android the phone out with the lime green look. Never did lime green before, but it looks hot, and it's that Android look. You know, the Android dude, little Android man is lime green. You know, so I'm about to Android it out with this Plasma series from UAG for the S9 Plus. Take out the box. It's drop tested, approved, military standard. It's got some numbers under it. If you know what they mean, drop down in the comment section. Um, like I said, Urban Urban Gear, you already know how I feel about Urban Urban Gear if you ever watch my channel. I love these cases. They hold up. They stand the test of time. They're the best. They some of the most unique cases that you're going to come across. They look really rugged, but at the same time, they got this cool factor with them. And I mean, I even see case companies trying to copy their style now. I ain't going to say no names, though, but yeah, this is the Plasma series. Let's take a look at the back. Feather light, easy access, anti-scratch, screen surround, glare-free flash, and impact resistant. Now, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and get subscribed, because if you was subscribed, you would know basically what a UAG plasma case come with and how it's built. We're going to go ahead and take it up out of the packaging like so. Check the case out. Just open the top, slide it out. It's in the tray. Damn, that lime green is looking hot. That's going to look hot against that black. You know what I mean? I'm running a real Android, you know, but this is Samsung Android, so it don't get the updates when it's supposed to get it. But that lime green, can y'all catch that? Is y'all catching that? How good that look in this tray off this light? Really feeling this. Looking like Ghostbuster slime. Okay, take it out. Get rid of the packaging. As you can see, we on deck already. And I like how they create these little slopes. Like you slide right into the fingerprint scanner. You slide over into the heart rate sensor. You know, I like these little slopes that direct your fingers exactly where they're supposed to go. And as you can see, we got the grommets or the rivet type things on the back. We got the fish scale look as far as the transparent lime green go. Got the fish scale pattern on the inside. Got the, now this is going to stay looking like this too, because we got these raised up. Each edge of the case is raised up. So, you know, it's raised up. So this takes all the impact whenever you sit on a surface that's not the nicest surface. It's going to all go right there. And this is going to stay beautiful. You know, we got the UAG branding and the brushed aluminum look on the back. Definitely dope. As you can see, nice big cutouts on deck. I always need big cutouts because like certain, well, I mean, this don't apply to all phones now, but like certain 3.5 aux cords, sometimes they're bigger. Sometimes they're kind of big and you need a big cutout for the aux. So certain headphones, when you try to plug them in, it's not per se the aux, but I guess the casing is big, and if you don't have a big hole right here, big cutout, it won't fit. But as you can see, nice power button. Let me get y'all, yeah, see that power button? That reminds me of the power button on the HTC 10. Nice, I love that power button. And there's got some ridges in it, real sturdy. You definitely know you want a power button. Same thing going on with the Bixby button, even though we don't rock with Bixby too heavy. But like I said, I'm going to try getting a Bixby. And I love volume up and down when they actually put the signs on it. I just think that's a nice touch. I think that's, you know, just a nice touch. As you can see, minus and a plus. Really good case, man. Really quality company here, UAG, man. Shout out to them for sending it out to me for review. I love reviewing their cases, and I love rocking their cases. So without further ado, I'm gonna put the case into the phone into the case. Let me give it a little screen wipe. Oh, that's hot. You know what I'm saying? I'm straight. I'm different. My S9 Plus don't look the same as y'all S9 Plus no more. I got the full-fledged UFO Android S9 Plus now. So you can see all the cutouts. You got enough space for everything. Slide your finger right in. You can see big, nice cutouts on the bottom. Enough space for everything. As you can see, got the raised up case. So boom. I dropped my phone on the flat surface. The case is gonna hit this raised edge is gonna hit the ground before my screen, possibly save me from cracking the screen or shatter the screen, and nobody wants that. As you can see, this joint just look hot. It feels nice in hand. As you can see, they give you some little grips on the side for a grip. You know, grip is a big part of drop protection because the better you can hold your phone and the more grips, the least likely you are to drop it. So this is hot, man. This is definitely hot. This is the UAG plasma series, and the whole time I was going through this, I never even told y'all I know it's lime green, but it should be a specified color for this. It should be a specified color. When I picked it out, it should be a specified color. But you know what? We just gonna call this the Android edition. Go over to UAG. I'm gonna drop the link in the description. This is the lime green UFO case from UAG, the plasma series. Had you looking real Androided out. This is the case I'm probably gonna use today. Looking just different. My S9 Plus don't look like yours. I'm BG Tech Life. Follow me on Instagram. You would have seen this coming. BG Tech Life on Instagram. That's all it is. BG Tech Life. Follow me on Twitter. BG_Tech Life. Man, it's your man BG. Thanks for watching. I'm drop the link in the description. I'm out. Peace.